Is your calculator app acting up on your Xiaomi phone? Crashing? Not opening? Or just not working right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix these issues. So, let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Turn off developer options. First, open up your settings app. Then, scroll down and find additional settings. Next, scroll a bit more and tap on developer options. Now, simply toggle it off. After that, restart your phone and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 2. Clear calculator app data and cache. To start, long press the calculator icon on your home screen. Then, tap on App Info from the menu that pops up. Next, tap on Clear Data and select Clear Cache. Then, hit OK. After that, tap Clear All Data and confirm with OK. Now, close this page and check if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. To begin, open your settings again. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Factory Reset. Then, tap on Erase All Data. Now, if you have a password or PIN, enter it here. Then, tap Next. After that, tap Factory Reset and follow the on-screen prompts to reset your phone. Once done, the issue should be resolved. So, that's how you can fix the calculator app not working, crashing, or freezing on any Xiaomi device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.